In the past couple days, we've gotten 10 new loaders, 10 new skid steers, and they're just rolling in now. The skid steers are really versatile machines. They're able to push a fair amount of snow, but they can also get into those corners, do all the detail work inside loading docks and curbs, and they really make a big difference on site. The loaders are fantastic for clearing out these big open parking lots. When you get 3, 4, 6 acres of open pavement, there's nothing as quick as a loader with a 14 or 16 foot push box on the front. Even though we have all this great equipment, the key is really in the utilization of it. And pairing up a skid steer with a pusher with a pickup truck in the right combination means that a site like a mall or a large strip center can have everything it needs: the detail work, the large pushing work, the power behind it, and they can be covered for any situation snow-wise.